Hey guys, so I was inspired by this look on Instagram from Louise. Just any chance for me to use blue or green, I will do it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe and let's begin. Hey guys, so for today for this look, I'm going to be using the Ace Beauty Slice of Paradise palette. And for the first shade I'm going to go into is called Kiwi, and I'm going to be using the Sigma E25 brush. So I'm just going to pack that on before I blend it out. Okay, now that we packed that on, we're just going to blend it out. For the next shade, we're going to go in with that lighter blue, Bluebell. I'm going to be using that same brush, same technique, just tapping it on and then blending it out. Just packing on this lighter blue so that there's just some kind of transition towards the darker blue. Okay, I'm just gonna put Kiwi on the lower lash line. I'm just trying to connect these two. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that deep blue shade called Macao. Again, that same brush, and again blending that below the green. I'm just packing it on right on the lighter blue. And I'm gonna pack that on the outer third and the inner third, leaving the middle part open for the halo eye. Okay, now we're just going to softly blend out the edges of that dark blue. Okay, now I'm just going to take an e.l.f. smudge brush and that same blue and pack it on, since that blending brush isn't really packing on that blue as much as I would like it to. So again, I'm just going to pack it on in the outer and inner corner. Just going to pack some more up here too, and then again we're going to blend that out, just the top, not the edges of this. And I'm also going to use that on my lower lash line. Again, just packing it on first before we blend it out one more time. And again, using that on the lower lash line. Okay, now we're just going to blend out that blue one more time. Not too much. Okay, now to get that cute little white line she has there, I'm going to be using Inglot's eyeliner gel in number 76. Obviously you can use concealer, but I do really like that little white line she has, so I'm going to use white liner. I'm just going to be taking my Anastasia number 3 brush, and I'm just going to make a line above my crease. I really kind of want to get that nice and straight because that's going to be the part that sticks out. Okay, now that we have that on there, I'm just gonna pull it down just so it isn't clumpy. And I'm just gonna add some more of that white. Okay, now at the sides of this white, I'm going to go in with the shade Kiwi. And I'm just going to tap it on here at the side, leaving the middle part open for the other green. Okay, and after tapping that on, I'm gonna pull it towards the blue. We're losing some of that blue, so I'm gonna add some more of it again. Yeah, let me just pack on some more of that blue. This blue just does not like to stick to this eye. Okay, so in the middle of that, we're going to go in with Fruit Dove. I'm not going to pack it on all over the white again. I'm just going to leave this white line clear. So I'm not putting any eyeshadow on that line. So again, just packing Fruit Dove on with an e.l.f. smudge brush. Nothing's sticking to this white because it's so dry. Probably should just use the white for this line, huh? If you do this, then just draw a line and then concealer. Okay, now I'm gonna pack on the shade Rattlesnake by Peaches and Cream right in the middle. Basically all over that middle green color, just so there's some kind of shine there. Okay, now for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with Peaches and Cream Mermaids. I am going to use some glitter glue because I noticed that that just easily falls all over my face. Just tapping a very small amount of glitter glue. I love that shade so much. Okay, now so for highlighter, since we are wearing blue, I'm going to be using Ofra Space Baby. Okay, so I'm just going to put on lashes, liner, and mascara. You know the drill, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, and now to finish up looking like a bird. I feel like every time I do a colorful look, I look like some kind of bird. I'm going to be using LA Splashes lipstick in Spring Break. Obviously you can go in with a nude since the eyes are really bright, but you know me, I gotta match my lips to my eyes. I love this shade, but the formula is so hard to spread. It's like spreading clay on your lips. But I mean, this is the only lipstick I have that's like this shade. Of course, right now that's when my battery's dying. See, it's just like rubbing clay, like it's not moving. I really need to find a better version of this. See, like, look how all of that is standing up. It's not dripping down because it's not liquid. Yeah, this is not spreading on my lips. I think I'm gonna have to get rid of this after this video. Like, it literally feels like if you took a block of clay and spread it all over your lips. That's what this feels like. Okay, so I'm probably gonna sit here for 5 minutes trying to get this on. And probably by now I'm gonna swipe over to the end. Oh, that sucks. This is literally my second time using this and it's all dried out. Like, I can already feel it all settling in my lines. Okay, I'm gonna go switch to a nude. Let me take this off. It's probably gonna take a while. Okay, that was a bitch to get off. I'm gonna go in with my trusty Colourpop nude called Quickie. Oh, it's so nice and smooth. Okay, there we go. That's way better. Okay, now we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys in the next one.